In today's video, I am going to teach you how to remove icon and type something in Callout in Notion. Callouts in Notion are perfect for drawing attention to important notes, tips, or warnings right in the middle of your page. They come with a little icon by default. But sometimes you want a cleaner look with just text. I'll show you exactly how to add a callout. Remove the icon, type your content, and tweak the colors so it matches your page style. First, create the callout. On your Notion page, type / followed by the word callout. Then press Enter. Notion will instantly drop a fresh callout block onto your page. You'll see the familiar icon on the left, a text area on the right, and the block handle with 6 dots to the far left. Next, remove the icon. Move your cursor over the emoji or icon sitting to the left of the callout text and click it. A small pop-up menu appears. Choose Remove. The icon disappears, leaving you with a clean text-only callout. This is great when you want the content to speak for itself or you are maintaining a minimalist design. If you ever change your mind, you can return to that same spot to adjust it again. Now add your text. Click directly inside the callout's text area and start typing. You can write a short highlight, a reminder to your team, or a clear action item. As you type, you can still use Notion's usual formatting shortcuts for bold, italics, or links, just as you would in any other block. Keep your message concise so it stands out at a glance. Finally, customize the color to make the callout fit your page. Hover over the left edge of the block until you see the 6-dot handle and click it to open the block menu. From there, choose Color. Then select either a background color or a text color. Background colors are helpful for emphasis and contrast, while text colors are useful if you want a more subtle touch. Pick a color that complements your page theme and keeps your message readable. That's all it takes. You've added a callout, removed the icon for a streamlined look, typed your content, and refined the color so it stands out in just the right way. This simple setup helps you highlight key information without clutter. Thanks for watching.